Hey guys, now I'm reviewing this Wera VDE screwdriver set 6 pieces. As you can see, the box is got damaged during shipping. Right, so this is the back of the box. Kraftform plus 160i 6 pieces with rack. Right, okay, let's have a look what's inside. Right, so inside you'll find this Wera rack. Alright, okay, you still be able to use this for the micro Kraftform, and this one has this quality control sticker, and another accessories, Wera tool rebels, and this will be the screwdriver. So this is the VDE for the electrical purposes. Right, okay. Right, so I have two types of screwdrivers, the Phillips and the flathead. Right, okay, let's have a look then. I'll take another Phillips first. So being the size of 2 and 1 and 2, they are both laser tip. I like the color of bright red and yellow. It will be a lot easier to find them during low light, and the rest will be the flathead. Oops. Right, okay, so I have the size of 2.5, 3.5, 4.0 and 5.5. Right, okay, so for the 2.5 and 3.5, they are not laser tip. Yeah, just normal flathead. And the 4.0 and 5.5, they are all laser tip. Right, so okay, let's test the rack. Usually I'll put this in, being the larger, and this one, the smallest one, I'll put it outside. Okay, I put it this way, and yep, it's 1, 2, 2.5, 3.5, 4.0 and 5.5. Right, there you go. You can just hang this onto the wall, or you can just put it that way. Easy fine. Yep, sits nicely. And also, what else you can do with this? Okay, so you can see this 6 grooves. You can put the micro screwdrivers. Right. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.